Get noticed in this 2011 Holden Commodore.
This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you.
This vehicle has a solid and powerful engine that gives you more control with its manual transmission. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.